Furry, The Little Penguins That Could, written by Ann Yurchek, illustrated by Jody Culp. Better Endings, New Beginnings in Minneapolis, USA. Teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion.
This is an all-new furry adventure.
Chapter 2, about Stuffies. Kindergarten with Teacher had gone on for a long, long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, and then you can count until almost forever to figure out just how long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every year, new children arrived. And each year, more and more Stuffies join the kindergarten penguin classroom. When the next year's littles come, Teacher and we Stuffies help the children learn so many new things. There is so much to learn when you are little. We learn about being friends, meowed Cat. We learn about loving each other, mooed Cow. We learn about living with each other, squeaked Mouse. We learn about following rules, yelled all the Stuffies. We learn about sharing and caring, meeped Penguin. We learn about teamwork, woof, woof, woofed 2 dogs. We learn to laugh together, chattered Squirrel. And you can't forget letters and numbers, hooed Owl. Teacher says sharing and caring are 2 of the most important things to learn. Sharing on some days is easy. On some days, it is hard. Sharing and caring is of great importance. It most certainly is trouble when 2 children want the very same Stuffy at the very same time. And it becomes a wiggly, tangly mess when Teacher and Stuffies join forces to rescue and teach friendship, caring, and cooperation. Some of us get pulled apart, and Teacher sews us back together. Hard things happen sometimes and can be fixed. Stuffies and Teacher show the littles how to make things right. Teacher works on cooperation. Cooperation is a big word. It can even be hard to say. Now you try to say it. Cooperation.
Cooperation! Cooperation!
It means that we get along with each other. It says that sometimes one child gets to play with a Stuffy. Sometimes another child gets to play with the Stuffy. Taking turns is important. It teaches us teamwork. With practice and hard work with Stuffies, 2 children can play with the very same Stuffy at the very same time. Stuffies are good at teaching cooperation and sharing and taking turns and being a good friend. Stuffies are like that. They are kind. Stuffies are also brave. After all, it can be scary to go to kindergarten. We help the children with big feelings and little feelings, funny feelings and sad feelings. happy emotions, and hurt hearts, shy feelings, and the stuffin' butterfly feelings. New is hard. Being away from your home and your family is difficult. Stuffies are safe when things are new or scary or lonely. We soak up tears when a child cries. Teacher says children learn by playing. Stuffies help the children use their imaginations to go on wild and perky adventures. We like pretending. Stuffies soar to the moon and back. We travel to jungles and farms and deserts. We help solve problems. We cheer on the children. Sometimes we are just still and listen. You don't have to do anything but hold on tight to a stuffy. There is a lot that goes on with just being you. We help children be themselves while we cuddle them. We celebrate learning and just because. Just because is an excellent thing to celebrate. After all, trying is as important as succeeding, and everyone can celebrate. We celebrate just